Hello, hello. Let me take you to an adventure where we are. This is our stop where we're going to sleep, and our cat is too with us. He's always following, and as you can hear, there is a waterfall. It's beautiful. It's magical, really. We stopped here. Didn't know where we're going to stop, but that's what happens if you just trust and just go. Now I just gonna turn my camera that you can see where we are. Goes all the way up to the other side. Come, Diddy. It's amazing. Look at this. This is a special one. Come on, Didi. Yeah. And it goes all the way up through here. So John, my boyfriend, is going to the other side to... he wants some fish. So we will see if he will get fish tomorrow. Now it's evening, so maybe tomorrow in the morning we will have fish. Look at our panther. Come maar, Didi. So this was an old dam, I think. It's just amazing what the universe gives you. We just grab it and enjoy. So today it's day 4 or something like that. That I read my secret paper. I hope that you are doing the same like me, and look what it gets. So there are a few things I write down, and I know it works, and this is how it works. Come on, Diditje. So it's now the second day that I'm not eating too. Only in the morning I eat some fruit, and if I really have like a feeling that I want to eat, I just eat something like little fruit. But I try to not eat at all. So we will see how long it will take. For me it's like I want to do it. I cooked today for Aliana and John, and they enjoyed it. For me it's getting better and better to cook and do not eat. I taste, so that's a challenge for me. I did not do that before if I not was eating. So now it's like you are tasting if the flavor is good, if there needs more spices. Here go, Didi, come. So that's a challenge to not eat later, because you have a taste in your mouth and you know that you are cooking good, so you want to eat. Hop. Wow, and the sun is really warm here. We are now in Spain. Spain is really hot actually. So I feel very good for the moment. The focus is really good. That's always if you're not eating. Now there you can see the van where we are sleeping. It's like in the jungle, and there are some cows here too. They have a lovely place to stay, the cows. a lot of water, a lot of food. So if I'm at the van, I'm going to meditate. I really want to meditate here. So it was really nice today, the experience that we had. We just make our habit, like just repeat it over and over again. If the mind is going crazy, just take your paper, read your sentence on the secret message for yourself and repeat it. That's really good for the mind, that the clouds are leaving, and that you put the stuff that you want to realize. And it's good if you're not eating, that then the thinking mind is like off. That's really special, because you are not focusing on anything else than the things that you want. Come, Gigi. Yeah, come maar. It's okay. Oh, you see something? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, wat zie je? He is really fast, our cat. What do you see? What do you see? Ga maar. Go ahead. Okay, he wants that I walk in front of him. Hop. I will not speak that much today. I just want to show you where we are for the moment, and because I said that I want to make a video once a day or twice a day, just to let you see where we are and what we are doing and how our feeling is, like how the mind is going. It's for me, it's something that I'm going through. Because in the beginning I was not sure if I was filming, if it's good, and you know, it's the thinking mind. So I'm over that, so now I'm just filming it, and everybody that wants to see it and wants to learn from few things, they will listen, they will see. Hop. And Amy, our other cat, the youngest, is here somewhere too. Here he is, our fan. Ah, there is Naomi. Want to go inside? Yeah. Say hello. Yeah. So I hope that you enjoyed the adventure. I'm glad that I showed this with you guys. This is something special. I was making food like 2 days ago, and there was a splash in my face, and it was nothing at all. And then since 2 days, this was coming on. So that was because I'm focusing on it, and I will get it. So that was a lesson for me too. That's funny. Well, have a nice evening. Enjoy everything that you do. Do the things that you want to do, and learn from each thing that you are going through. Good mood, good food, go for it, and repeat the good things only. Bye.